In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a booking in booking.com. If you need to cancel an upcoming reservation, the process is usually quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your account, find your reservation, and start the cancellation process from the correct section of the website. Before you begin, keep in mind that whether you receive a full refund, partial refund, or no refund at all depends on the property's cancellation policy and how close you are to your check-in date. Start by going to the official booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the correct site and signed into the account you used to make the reservation. This is important because your booking details will only appear under the account where the reservation was originally made. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in before moving on. Next, look for the profile icon, usually located near the top right area of the page, and click on it. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal travel information and reservation history. If you have multiple bookings or use booking.com often, this menu is the central place to manage all of your trips. From the profile menu, click on Bookings and Trips. This section contains your current and past reservations. Once you're there, find the specific booking you want to cancel and open it. You should see the reservation details, including dates, property information, and any cancellation terms attached to that booking. From the reservation page, select the option to cancel the booking. Booking.com may ask you to confirm your choice before the cancellation is finalized, so read the on-screen message carefully. Pay close attention to any notes about fees, refund eligibility, or deadlines. If the booking offers free cancellation, that will usually be clearly stated. If it does not, you may still be able to cancel, but charges could apply. After confirming, look for a cancellation confirmation on the screen, and if available, check your email for a confirmation message as well. It's always a good idea to keep that confirmation for your records in case you need to reference it later. If you don't see a cancel option, that can mean the reservation is non-refundable or that special conditions apply. In that case, review the booking policy shown on the reservation page for more details, and that's how to cancel a booking in booking.com.